So first we need to set the syntax into HTML, and then we type in HTML, then hit tab, then put a title. Let's put on some JavaScript function. So for this example, we are going to create a script, and then you hit tab. Then in between it, we are going to call for a function or create a function. So a function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. So at this rate, we are going to make use of function and then the name that you want to name in your function. For this example, I will be using example1. And then inside it, okay, we start with a curly bracket, open the curly bracket, and then inside it, I'm going to make use of an alert. And then if ever this function is being called, okay, this alert button will appear and then it will show what is inside this alert box. Okay, so at this rate, JavaScript function is executed when it invokes or someone calls it. So at this rate, I will be using the input tag. So I'll be using input and then hit tab. Next is that we're going to set the type into button. We are going to create a button. Then I'm going to delete this name. Next will be on the behavior. So what will happen if I'm going to click on this button? So at this rate, if I'm going to click it, I'm going to call this function. So make sure that the name will be called example1. So if this button will be clicked, example1 will be called. And of course, the last one will be on the value. So what will appear on the button? So the name of the button will be click me. Okay, save the file. Then make sure that the file format is still on an HTML. So after saving this one, make sure that you need to open it with a desired browser. At this rate, I will be using Google Chrome. So this is it. Once you click this one, the function will be called. So this is an example of it. We can also change the function inside. So let's change that one. So at this rate, I will be creating or deleting this one, and then I'll be replacing it with another word, which is of course we are calling a function. Save the file and then refresh your browser. That is all for now. This is how you make use of a function.